Now, few more options available in a home tab. For example, here we have 4 points: price, quality, performance and cost. I would like to write it in a two columns like price, quantity and performance cost. Like this, I would like to write it under this particular section. How can we do that one? Select those 4 points. Which one you would like to make it to a two column? Select. Go here in a paragraph section. Okay. Add two column. Okay, like this you can add it to a two column, or you can make it to a three column. Okay, you can make it to add two column, or you can add it to a three column like this. Okay, like this you can make it a two column or three column. Okay, whenever you require you can do that one. The second thing, here it is the text direction. For example, if you like to change the direction of this particular text, you would like to rotate, or I don't want to show entire thing like this. Okay, I will say this particular text should be horizontal, or like this it should be, or stacked like this. Okay, to change the direction, to rotate the text, we are using a this particular option, text direction. And align text is nothing but this entire box. In this particular box, okay, to change that one, for example, center, to make it a bottom, or to take it on a top. Okay, this will be for a vertically to align, we'll be using a align text. For horizontally to align, we'll use a this one. Okay, if you go to the format option here, if you go to the format option, you can able to change the color of the background by using a shape fill option. You can change the color, background color, outline color, in the sense the box color you can change. Okay, you can select the here itself the some of the default color and styles are available, you can select from here itself. Okay, or text fill, you can change the text color here. Okay, outline, you can change text outline. Okay, outline of the text here, each border of the text will be changed, or you can change it to the any of the here like this, you can change it to a effects also. Okay, and you can rotate by using a here also you can by using this one, we can rotate. Okay, so you can align to a left, right, like this you can align to a slide. Okay, these are the some of the other formatting options available apart from the options available here. Okay, shape fill, again same thing, whatever you have been done in a formatting, same thing will be available here also. Okay, here also you can use, or you can go back to formatting and you can change the structure, you can change the each and everything by using this particular formatting option. Like this you can change. Okay, this is about how can we utilize tools which are available in a home tab, as well as how to format the any of the thing, any of the selected content you can format. Okay, any of the selected content you can go and formatting here, options are same. Okay, each and everywhere options are same, you can select them, you can change the outline, everything, text color, everything you can change, alignment also you can change. Okay, these are the formatting options available for each and everywhere. For everything whatever you select, this formatting action will be applicable. Okay, this is about how can we utilize a formatting as well as a home tab tools.